Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to download a photo as PDF from Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to download a photo as a PDF from Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, on this interface you'll land over here, which is the home interface, and on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the folder icon available for us just beside the plus button at the bottom right corner. Tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll land over here where all of your folders and files will be over here. Now in order to go to the photos, you can see the photos button over here on this menu, and when you land over here all of your photos of your Picsart app will be available over here. Now to download a photo as a PDF in Picsart, simply tap and hold on the photo which you want to download as a PDF, and when this panel appears, tap on the download button over here just above the rename button. And when that happens guys, you can see this panel appears after being downloaded, where there is the option that says save as PDF. In your case, you'll be required to get the Picsart Premium for that, and after getting the Premium Picsart, this button will be available for you as well. Tap on save as PDF and that photo will be saved as PDF in Picsart. And with that being said guys, this is how to download a photo as PDF from Picsart, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.